Hello and welcome to Forex Trading Authority's most powerful system, FLUX2. And this is a system that combines a swing and trend methodology based on one of the most stable systems there is over the past 100+ years of price data study and testing. This system is incredible, and it's fundamentally sound based on a principle I discovered maybe 8 or 9 years ago from this current recording. And it's really fascinating how the market, how price moves. Price charts have their own language and their own rules of language, and although it may seem random to many, it's really not, especially on the minute level of price movement. Of course, you can go in minutia in terms of time periods. For example, day bars, 16-minute bars, 15-minute bars, 1-minute bars, even the ticks. But these same principles run even on the lowest levels of time increments, and it's just fascinating how this stuff works. Unfortunately, I've discovered a certain phenomenon just through study, and it's as if I run into these discoveries just by spending time with price charts and just a variety of things. The combination of ideas and things, even non-trading related, that enable me to see things a different way. And one day I found this phenomenon, which is the cornerstone of FLUX2. And so what I've also added to the system is the cluster flux. Okay, I know it sounds funny, but it's clustering, and combination with this super solid methodology and clustering has just produced crazy amount of pips. Even in 2011, just between the two pairs, euro dollar and Japanese and pound yen, it's produced 16,000 pips. And this is 2011 was a pretty slow year. All right, so that is incredible. And you want to see what you can potentially make in the slow years, not just 2008, for example. That's easy, but the slow years, if you can make a lot of money in the slow years, then you've got it made. From there, it's just a matter of money management. But actually, the principle is this: it's more so than just having a system that could be flashy and make a lot of pips. Is having a system that is solid, super solid, bankable solid. The term bankable means that you can trust it. Of course, I know that because I've been with the system for almost a decade. You don't know that yet, but you have to believe what I'm saying to see that's true. Fortunately, the amount of admission to the information is, it's not, we're not giving this away, but for most of you out there, it's just, one trade gone bad, or just one blown stop loss, and covers the price of this course. And if this system does work for you, then, oh my goodness. Well, if you can just simply stick to it and just do the deals with the money management, position sizing, and just simply mindlessly do it. Mindlessly means don't even think about it. You just do the little deals. 2 to 5, 6, 7 minutes a night. See how it can take that long, but and you just some nights you just glance and you say, okay, I'm still in, and that's it. Or okay, no trade. Simple as that. It'll take you under 30 seconds, but the potential here, just from this, turning this into a success habit, just saying, even if you start with the tiniest position sizes ever, then in my opinion, to not do that is throwing away a lot of money. And you know that you can do a lot of good things with that money. We don't want our lives to go just waste, drift away and do nothing. We want to do something great with our lives. So we need to get these success habits going on. And to make a trading system such as this a success habit is very, 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 very powerful. What is FLUX2, Flux Squared? Flux Squared is a trading system. It's a home study course. It's not software. It's not a platform. It's not whatever else people think all the time about Forex systems. It's not a friggin' robot. It's not that junk. Okay, it's a very real, very powerful trading system. There's no refund policy, so you better be ready to invest just as you would a Forex trade when you buy this system. There's no fooling around here. This is very real, and it's a course. I teach you the secret sauce, how to get in and get out with the methodology. We go over examples and over. You'll be able to pick up this system fairly quickly, and it'll be a matter of practice, identifying the setups, and then you just start small, and then you can get into the groove and trade this well. This is comes with videos, PDFs, maybe some audios, but that's what this is. It's a course. You learn it, you get instant access as soon as you purchase. Let's head over here to the site. Sorry, this isn't totally fitting here, but anyways, here's some of the description, and you can see the track record here. Let's see, let's go through some of this. You'll see what happens is when the market starts trending hard in a direction, you can see an absolute explosion with the Flux Squared system. It's designed to really take advantage of the real trends, and you can see we have a few extra elements of profit taking. I show you some extra profit maximization secrets. That's how you see this 3 1000s in a row. That's a profit maximization secret, and I show you my tips. Although you don't have to use the maximization secrets, you can just simply do the system. But the maximization secrets, they don't come very often, so almost all of this is just besides these three here, pretty much. Yeah, besides these three here, everything here is just simply the system. You just simply, the core system. And but again, when you see extreme price movements, as you'll see on the pound yen, you just need to grab them anyways. So you can see these trades, how they come, and you'll see just batches of wins, and you'll see batches of losses. And ultimately, what's the game? The game is the bottom line. Here in the euro dollar, you have 5,100 pips, and on the pound yen, you have 11,000 pips. So that is the picture. And actually, I was going to put this system out earlier. You have some September 2009 results, September 2009 to December 2010. So that's a little over a year. And this is not even 2008. So just a little bit more fluid price movement. And in the euro dollar alone, you had 14,970 pips. So you know, and then of course the pound yen would have been a lot more. So in short, we're sitting here representing to you a slow year, 2011, right here in the track record, and it's just a representative of what the system can do. We're not going to put a real-time track record or anything like that. It's not a robot, and so we'll just put representative track records, and it's all the same. It just keeps doing the same thing. But so if you have any questions, of course, let us know. It's a core fundamental system. It's been working the same way over the past 100 years of price data, and it's based off the trading for a good living principle, which is, you know, develop a trading system that can be traded over time and not pursuing some 110% winning gimmick or any sort of magical miracle home run gimmick. No, we want something that can net out and give us money. And so we can just simply do win or loss. We don't get involved with the whole winning losing thing. We just simply look to do the deals and net profit out over time. And now we have a real business that can be put to work. We don't have to start with a massive amount of money. Start small. Don't be too ambitious, because all the ambition is built into the system and the money management system. Did you get that? Don't try to be a hero with the system. Don't try to pick trades. Don't try to pick what's going to be better than the other. Don't skip trades, because you never really know what the market's going to do. Just do all the deals, get in the success habit of doing them, and then let the system take care of business. And I believe you're going to be extremely happy. You run this for a few years. You're going to be extremely happy, and you have the potential to set yourself and your family into financial freedom. The potential is there, in my opinion. So I can't predict the future, can't guarantee you a future in trading whatsoever. Also, it will depend on your consistency to execute the system and make it happen. So, okay, that's about it. Thank you. If you have any questions, simply hit the contact button. Thanks.